Welcome to DMV Pass.
In Texas, U-turns aren't just legal, they're part of everyday driving. But to use them safely, you need to know the rules. Let's break down how Texas U-turns really work. You can make a U-turn at intersections as long as there's no sign saying otherwise. Green light or green arrow, you're clear to turn. And then there's the famous Texas turnaround, a dedicated lane on frontage roads that lets you flip a U without waiting for a traffic light. Just follow the yellow yield sign and keep it smooth. One more rule. You must be able to see at least 500 feet in both directions before making a U-turn. U-turns are illegal where signs prohibit them, near hills or curves with poor visibility, at railroad crossings, near fire stations, on one-way streets, and across double yellow lines. When you're making a U-turn, you're the lowest priority. You must yield to oncoming traffic, pedestrians, cyclists, even drivers turning right on red. Always start from the far left lane or the dedicated U-turn lane, and don't forget your turn signal. These special lanes let you bypass the intersection completely. Most are controlled by a yield sign, not a stop sign. So slow down, check for traffic, and merge smoothly into the opposite frontage road. So remember, if it's safe, visible for 500 feet and there's no sign saying no U-turn, you can usually flip a U in Texas. Use the lanes, follow the signs, and turn around like a pro.
Remember, U-turns are everywhere in Texas, but only if you know the rules. Where you can U-turn? At intersections, unless a sign says no. Green light or green arrow? You're good. And don't forget the Texas turnaround, those special frontage road lanes that loop you under the highway. Just make sure you can see at least 500 feet in both directions. Where you can't U-turn? No U-turn signs, hills, curves, railroad crossings, fire stations, one-way streets, or across double yellow lines. Yield to everyone, oncoming cars, pedestrians, cyclists, even right on red drivers. Start from the far left lane and always use your signal. Most turnarounds use a yield sign, not a stop. Slow down, check traffic, and merge clean. If it's safe, visible, and not prohibited, you can usually flip a U in Texas.